Washington's diverse climate can take a toll on your home's windows, affecting their performance, efficiency, and longevity. From the rainy Pacific Northwest to the drier inland regions, the state experiences a wide range of weather conditions that can impact your windows in various ways. Understanding how the climate affects your windows and knowing the best solutions can help you maintain a comfortable, energy-efficient home while extending the life of your windows. How Washington's climate impacts your windows. Excess moisture and rain damage. Washington, especially areas like Seattle, is known for its frequent rainfall and high humidity. Over time, constant exposure to moisture can cause wooden window frames to rot, paint to peel, and mold or mildew to develop. Additionally, moisture can seep into window seals, leading to condensation between glass panes and reducing visibility. Temperature fluctuations and window expansion. Washington experiences seasonal temperature changes, especially in inland areas like Spokane and the Tri-Cities. These fluctuations can cause window materials, particularly vinyl and wood, to expand and contract, leading to seal failure, warping, and cracks in window frames. This can result in air leaks and reduced energy efficiency. Wind and storm damage. Many regions in Washington face strong winds, heavy storms, and even occasional snow in higher elevations. Older or poorly installed windows may struggle to withstand these forces, leading to broken seals, drafty interiors, and increased heating costs. UV exposure and fading. During the sunnier months, Washington homeowners may notice that furniture, flooring, and curtains fade due to prolonged exposure to UV rays. Standard glass does little to block UV radiation, leading to damage inside your home over time. What you can do to protect your windows. Choose weather-resistant window material. Selecting the right window materials is crucial for withstanding Washington's climate. Some top options include fiberglass windows, highly durable, resistant to moisture, and less prone to expansion and contraction. Vinyl windows, low maintenance, energy efficient, and capable of withstanding temperature fluctuations. Aluminum-clad wood windows offer the beauty of wood inside while having a weather-resistant aluminum exterior. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows. Investing in energy-efficient windows can help regulate indoor temperatures and lower energy bills. Look for features such as double or triple pane glass for better insulation, low emissivity coatings to reduce UV exposure and improve energy efficiency, argon or krypton gas-filled windows to enhance insulation and reduce heat transfer. Improve window sealing and insulation to prevent drafts and moisture damage. Ensure your windows have proper weather stripping, caulking, and insulation. Some key steps include replacing worn-out weather stripping to seal gaps, applying high-quality caulking around frames to block moisture, installing insulated curtains or blinds for additional protection. Maintain and inspect your windows regularly. Regular window maintenance helps extend their lifespan and prevent costly repairs. Homeowners should Clean window tracks, glass, and frames to remove dirt and debris. Check for condensation between window panes, which may indicate seal failure. Inspect for cracks, rot, or warping, especially after heavy rain or storms. Consider storm windows or impact-resistant glass for areas prone to strong winds and storms. Installing storm windows or impact-resistant glass can provide extra protection. These windows are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions and help maintain indoor comfort. Final thoughts. Protect your home with the right windows. Washington's climate presents unique challenges for homeowners, but choosing the right windows, maintenance strategies, and upgrades can make a significant difference in energy efficiency, comfort, and durability. Whether you're dealing with moisture damage, temperature fluctuations, or UV exposure, taking proactive steps can enhance your home's resilience and lower long-term costs. If you're considering window replacements or upgrades, consult a local window expert in Washington to find the best solutions tailored to your climate and home needs. A well-maintained and energy-efficient window system not only protects your home but also improves overall comfort and value.